So after the mishaps of the last video that you have watched, hopefully, if not, go back and watch it. Pretty messed up stuff. So after that bit of shenanigans, we're here in Deer Lake. We're gonna go to a trailer shop now to see how much it's gonna cost to unfuck this trailer. So it's kind of funny, I called the shop and really nice people, going to Deer Lake Truck and Tire. I got her on the phone. I said, yeah, I'm here. I got a mildly messed up gooseneck trailer. And it was kind of funny. Mildly messed up is, I'd say, around accurate. You know, it's not totaled or anything, but it might be a bit more than mildly messed up. Like when you go to the restaurant, you order like mild hot wings. You know, there's a bit of zing to it, but there's not. You know, they're mild, right? They're not really spicy. I think this trailer might be a bit spicier than that. If you can catch my. So we're gonna head over there now, hook the trailer on, and see what's on the go here. It's not good. You got to let it go. You got to let it go. You got to let it go. I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let. You got to let it go. God, that sounded bad. Where am I? Are you done? Here it is. God, they look busy. They already told me they wouldn't be able to get at it today, but tomorrow morning. Okay, there's stuff messed up back there. Oh God. At this point, it's just embarrassing. I'm the one that called. Well, yeah, I was offloading a skidder. Customer said it was 5 tons, right? I should have known the difference, but it didn't look like much.
5 ton?
5 ton skidder, right? Turned out to be around 13 ton.
What do you got tore up?
Just about everything you can tear up. Currently looking for a new trailer.
Yeah? On a pickup.
So yeah, so that's all I noticed. That's the hanger is broken where that bolt goes through. There's no bolt there. Other side is all mangled up, and it's...
So you must have the springs broken.
I never looked that closely at the springs. There's that metal piece there. I don't know how it happened, but that ended up in my tire. You see where the tire's gone now. Yeah, you see where the tire's gone.
Which tire? The one over there?
Well, you can see it kind of flat on the bottom there.
Yeah, it drove into your tire, didn't it?
Yeah. Back here I got no lights left. Nothing works anymore. Yeah, that wheel is finished, man. Holy shit. Man, I must have had some. Oh, see, I shouldn't have let him offload it like that. Cause see, I was expecting to go to a lumber yard where they had ramps, heavy equipment, the works. I pulled up on Goose Cove Road, but he was cutting wood behind his house.
Yeah, you could have rolled up to any kind of thing.
So the consensus is broken wheels. See that crack? Wheels broken. That one looks good. Okay, so wheels broken, whole bunch of stuff broken. It's not good. So we're here at Deer Lake Automotive, Deer Lake Truck and Tire Center. We're gonna see just how messed up my trailer is. Definitely the back ones. Back ones are shot. That looks alright. Oh, that one's completely shot. Don't have to look at that.
That's not good.
But he didn't put his blade up. Ruined that.
There you got a lot of damage to it.
The suspension on the back, all the carriage, it's all tore up, totaled. Wheels, if the outside one's broken, the inside one's probably broken. That one looks okay. Yeah, that nut looked a bit weird there, didn't it? But this one's broken. Yeah.
Shit.
Yeah, shit. And the suspension carriage, like not in the middle, but the front, the back there.
Yeah.
There, it's all mangled up. Then that went stabbed the tire. Brand new $400 tire.
Oh my god.
I think that axle's bent. Ramps were completely mangled. We straightened them out with the same piece of machinery.
Yeah.
But I'd say they're pretty easy to bend now, so I gotta get new ones. $800 a piece. But I mean, that's probably at least $4,000 of damage.
Yeah, that's a bit of damage.
Probably closer to 6, at most 8.
God knows what else you're gonna find on it, right?
It's messed up. Yeah, it's messed up. And you see where it hit the chassis, the I-beams on the trailer?
Yeah.
Up there.
They're all bent.
Up there. It's messed up. The trailer's actually warped if you look down here. Yeah, you can still see it. It warps down towards that corner. If you go on the other side, you can super see it.
No, you can actually see it from right here.
You can, yeah.
Oh,
Because that corner was maybe that far off the ground, that corner there was touching. Because he didn't line it up, right? And when I told him it wasn't lining up, he just let it roll off and just ruined everything. Right on, guys. Well, I got some work to do. You guys have fun with that.
Yeah.
All right? Yeah, see ya. Good luck. Properly fucked. There's a bit of damage. By a bit, I mean all the damage.